Welcome to Freakonomics, where economics meets curiosity. Here, we explore the hidden side of everything, from sumo wrestlers to teachers, uncovering the unexpected truths that shape our world. It's not just numbers and graphs, it's the surprising stories behind everyday life. Incentives drive our decisions, whether they're financial, social, or moral. Freakonomics dives into fascinating examples, showing how incentives motivate a teacher to alter test scores or a sumo wrestler to throw a match. It's all about understanding what nudges people's choices. From small decisions to life-changing actions, incentives are the unseen forces that shape our behavior. Information is power, and asymmetry in information can create surprising outcomes. From the tactics of real estate agents to the inner workings of a gang, Freakonomics shows how having the right information, or lack thereof, can significantly influence actions and results. In a world where knowledge is key, understanding these dynamics opens doors to unexpected insights. Conventional wisdom isn't always right. Freakonomics encourages us to question and probe deeper. Why do drug dealers still live with their mums? By overturning common misconceptions, Levitt and Dubner bring forth a new perspective on everyday phenomena, revealing the hidden truths behind widely accepted beliefs. This quest leads us to rethink the way we see the world. So, what can we take away? Always question the norm, understand the power of incentives, and seek the hidden information. Economics isn't just about money, it's about understanding behavior in a surprising new light. Let's embrace this unconventional wisdom in our daily lives. Applying these insights, we can navigate our world with a fresh perspective and informed curiosity.